Myself Swathi. I have been recently completed my BE in Computer Science from GMIT Davangere. After my 7th sem, I have been relocated to the Bangalore to start my career as a Python intern at Dhee Coding Lab. At the beginning, it was quite challenging for me. Focusing on career and also a distance from my parents is a bit challenging, managing both sides. Later on, it's been quite normal. Me and my parents were very grateful to GMIT as well as Dhee Coding Lab. First person to know was my parents, and they were very happy. Like when I attended my technical interview on face, the technical interview who has been taking my interview, he said like, you are good at the communication. The only thing is you have to be good at technical. Only having a good communication, you cannot kickstart your career at a IT company. And being a good at the logical thinking rather than focusing on theoretical part. And he said like, you should be good at problem solving as well as a logical, where it's a turning point. I have decided to go through have to and upskill at logical thing. At the same time, I have got to know about the Dhee Coding Lab, where they have visited to our college. Through my basic coding knowledge and good at communication, I have been placed as a CSR in Dhee Coding Lab. Okay. This is where my Dhee Coding Lab journey starts. It's a very awesome journey. Like looking back, it's a very good decision where I have made in my career. Started with the OOPS concept. What is the OOPS and how it is related to real world, and why exactly OOPS is needed. A good experience where I have been taught logical thinking concepts rather than the questions. And the next one is like front end part, where it is both started with the very basic. The people who have a zero knowledge can also come here, because they have been teaching from scratch, that is from HTML and then later on CSS, then upgrading to a React. And after these technologies, they have been started SQL. And as we know, like each and every technical interview, DSA as well as SQL is equally important. We came across a Django backend project. Before DCL, it's all about theory, very good marks in VTU, and it's been a very clear difference once I joined to the DCL. Each and every session, our trainers used to say like, you used to get a practical knowledge, and it is a more like an interactive session. They used to interact with each and every person. If they didn't get any point, please do stand up and say whatever, don't carry up to the next day. And they always make sure that we are up to date, and we'll be a very good when we attend the technical interviews. When I come to the DCL, at the beginning I was not familiar with the trainers. I used to attend 7 to 8 hours of the DCL classes to grab all those whatever the trainers used to say. Once I go back, I used to self-learn. But later on, when the trainers used to give us such a very good friendly environment, I used to talk with the trainers and get all the suggestions from the trainers. Later on, it built a very good rapport between our trainers and the student. So whatever the questions that I get in my mind, without any hesitate, I used to ask the trainers. Whenever I used to ask the questions to my friends, same way I used to ask. They used to help me a lot. Even they used to say like, you can ping us a message whenever at the which point you are getting any doubt. We used to ping out, and they'll reply. The one who wants to strengthen your skills as well as technical as well as communication skill, you have to choose a DC. Even I am one who has been very confused when it comes to technical. I am very lagging towards logical thinking and problem solving. It's been very crystal clear to choose why Dhee Coding Lab, as I am one of the example, and I have been taking suggestion from my seniors. They also suggested me this Dhee Coding, as I have also selected as a CSR. I think it's a very good decision that I have took in my career.